I am the first ever platinum ticket winner. And if I don't make it to top 10, I'll be so angry with myself that I broke a record and I couldn't keep that record.
Making the Idol final top 10 would be a dream come true.
I've seen Idol since I was a child, and I have always wanted to be here. It has been one of my biggest dreams to come to this platform, make it big, get into top 10, get to the live shows. That would be such a blessing.
Hey, Japheth, welcome in, man. Explain to me, what happened today? How would you assess your performance?
I did what I could do with what I had.
Right. You know, they say pressure bursts pipes, right? So the pressure of the situation, I think it got to you, maybe. Maybe over-singing, maybe too much stress. But listen, I think today, it's not quite enough. Yeah? You're going home, so thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Arrangements OCD, like, father. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing, man?
Fine.
Take a seat. You can
Thank
sit
you.
down. Do you think Nigerians would like to see you in the final top 10?
Yes, I would love to see me in the finals at the top 10.
Mikki, I'm really sorry, but you're going home.
Good evening.
How you doing, man?
Chima,
Hi.
how are you doing, man?
I'm fine.
I remember giving you a platinum ticket. Do you remember that? That was incredible. How'd that make you feel?
It made me feel amazing
Yeah.
and really validated.
If I had another platinum ticket, I would have given you for this last performance. Congratulations, you're in the top 10, bro. Yeah. Someone should get me another platinum ticket right now. I'm gonna get incredible.
You all right, man?
Well done, man. Come, I need to hug you, man. Like, take care, man. God bless you. That was incredible. You connected with the song. It's beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Chima!